Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on digital skills in high demand. You can learn today and become more successful. It's your girl Joy.
And I am Betty. Today we're exploring the exciting world of front-end web design and development.
That's right. In this episode, we will discuss what front-end website design and development is all about, why it is very crucial in creating engaging websites, the benefits of learning this skill, and how you can master it here at Prismaro Technologies.
Now, what is front-end web design and development? Front-end web design and development refers to that part of the website that users interact with directly. It involves everything from layout and design to user interface elements and user experience.
Exactly. Front-end web developers use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create visually appealing and functional websites. It's all about making the website accessible and enjoyable for users.
Importance of front-end development. In today's digital age, having a well-designed website is essential for any business or company. It is often the first impression that customers have, and a positive first experience can lead to more engagement and conversion.
Absolutely. Front-end developers play a key role in ensuring that websites are not only visually appealing, but also very easy to navigate and responsive across devices.
Benefits of learning front-end web design and development. Learning front-end web design and development gives you the ability to create websites that meet user needs and expectations. You gain skills in designing, coding, and problem solving.
Additionally, it allows you to express your creativity while building a functional product. Plus, front-end development is highly sought after, making it a great career choice.
How to learn front-end web design and development at Design Technology. At Design Technology, we offer a comprehensive course on front-end web design and development. You will learn everything from the basics of HTML and CSS to advanced JavaScript techniques.
You will also engage in hands-on projects, giving you the practical experience that you can showcase in your portfolio by the end of the course. You will have the skills to build a dynamic and responsive website.
Career and job opportunities in front-end development. With front-end development, you can pursue diverse career paths such as front-end developer, web designer, UI developer, or even a full-stack developer.
As businesses increasingly move online, the demand for skilled front-end developers is rising, providing ample job opportunities across various industries.
Opportunities in Nigeria and abroad. In Nigeria, as more companies have realized the importance of having a strong online presence, the demand for front-end web developers is increasingly high. Startups and established companies are looking for talented individuals in this field to help them build beautiful websites.
Internationally, front-end development skills are in high demand. Many companies offer remote positions, allowing you to work with clients and teams from around the globe.
And why should someone learn front-end web design and development? Learning front-end web design and development empowers you with the skills to bring your ideas to life on the web. It is a skill that combines creativity and technical expertise, making it very rewarding.
With this kind of technology hands-on training, you will live with the confidence to tackle web projects and the knowledge to succeed in this dynamic industry. Whether you're looking to start a career or enhance your existing skills, front-end development is a fantastic choice. If you're ready to jump into the world of front-end web design and development, check out this Technologies training program. This could be your key to building an engaging website that stands out.
Thank you for joining us in today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover in this series is key to unlock the job opportunities in 2025 and beyond.
See you in the next episode. Bye.